Welcome back to the channel, everyone. And have you guys seen these? These are all over the internet lately. These are the low temp universal welding rods. So do they really work? Let's go down and test them out. Before we go down, these actually give off a lot of fumes. So make sure you put a mask on and some safety glasses. Let's do it. All right, so this is the packet that the rods come in. And mine came all broken, so they came like this. Okay, so don't expect too much. It is, after all, from China. And they say that you could weld stainless steel, aluminium, aluminum, iron, copper, plastics, woods, everything you want, you can do with these. So I just wanted to test it out for myself and see if it was real or not. Now, I've got some aluminum lids here. Let's do something simple and easy to start with. Now, I have scraped the paint off both lids, so they stick a lot easier. So, because, anyway, let's have a look and see what happens. So, make sure you're wearing your eye protection gear and your mask. And here we go. First test. Put them on. Now the rod's warm to touch, but these can get quite hot. Let's just leave it there and see if it sticks together. All right, now while that's still sticking together, let's get something like this. Now this is, I believe, brass. All right, so let's try it with brass. Sorry, my hands are a little dirty from touching all this steel. So let's see if it'll stick the brass together. Put some on there, like so. Put this one on. Let's do some more. Actually, we'll put a bit more on. Like so. And we'll warm this one up. And then put it on quickly. And we'll leave that dry too. And the biggest test of them all is these. Let's see if it'll stick these two together. I will be impressed. If this can be done, I will be impressed. All right, let's go. You like my welding job? Let's see if it'll stick. We'll let that dry, and we'll come back and try and do the other side as well. And we'll do all the sides. Okay, so I've lifted up carefully, so I could just do another one of these welds. A little bit more on the corners. I don't know, it just doesn't seem strong to me. Do the other side too. Oh, you guys can see that, hopefully. We'll let that dry off a bit. I'll just put a little bit more on this side here. Don't know, it seems like a plastic. It certainly smells like plastic. But anyway, we've got the, let's test this, a little bit warm. So we've got the sides all done, as you can see. Now we've got one more side. Now I want to give it the benefit of the doubt and hold this on so I don't damage it, because I don't think it's very strong. But anyway, let's do this side too. All right, so we'll move this to the side, and we'll get the first one that we did with the 2 aluminium really thin lids. Now let's have a little bit of a twist, a little bit of a pull to see if it stuck well. Yeah, well, sort of. I mean, super glue could do a better job. This is what I mean about, it seems like it's plastic because it's... Anyway, not a very good test on that. All right, let's see our little brass handle thing, whatever it is. It just came off straight away. Oh my goodness. If that happened, if it's that weak on these things, I mean, this is going to be ridiculous. I mean, come on. So this is dry now. These are all dry now. It has stuck on, right? But that's I believe it's just going to come off. Eh? All right, let's go for it. Well, anyway, these are the universal welding rods. If you still want to buy them, it's up to you. Links will be in the description. And I mean, these things have been all over the internet. They are cheap, right? They're really cheap, but still a waste of money. I think glue would do better, a lot better. Well, that's it, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. I hope you got a bit of knowledge out of this video. And if you did, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one real soon.